process for you to vacuum the pool off of the skimmer. So you have MD, which is main drain, SK, which is skimmer. So when we're vacuuming off the skimmer, I want to shut the main drains off, so we're only pulling water out of the skimmer and you get full suction. So I'm going to go ahead and take this valve, I'm going to turn it where the off position is facing the main drain. Now we have full suction out of the skimmer, so we have better vacuum power. So if you're going to vacuum your pool, you're going to go in here and hit the gear icon again at the top right hand corner, adjust pump speeds, you're going to hit pool pump. So right now the pool's on at 2800 RPM. We want to vacuum the pool, so we want more RPM so you have better suction and vacuum power. So what I'm going to do is hit clean mode. The pool's automatically going to change to that RPM and ramp up the speed, and you're going to get better suction for vacuuming. First thing, blue in to blue. We'll stick the vacuum in the pool. You're going to take this in. We want to fill this whole hose with water so we're not sucking air in at first. So come over to one of these returns, and it will sink and stop blowing bubbles once you get all the air out. Because if you don't and you plug it right into the skimmer, you're going to pull air into the pump and you're not going to have no suction at all. So then you're going to take this, stick it on the white cap, stick it right onto the skimmer. And then you want to go slow, and you'll see it starts sucking it all up. All right. Once you're done vacuuming your pool, you're going to want to come back over here and turn this valve to dead middle, so you're pulling out of the skimmer in the main drain again. And when done, you'll come over here and click pool, and it'll go back to the pool setting we had set at.